Ooh, yeah, this one's a coho. We're gonna take this one home with us. We got a Kenai silver salmon in a kayak. Get that guy. There you go. There you go. Get him. Get him. Pick him up. There you go. All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner right there, right? All right, everybody. We got a fresh coho salmon here that the boys caught out of the kayaks the other night. I'm gonna show you how to cut it up really quick, and then we're gonna take it inside and we're gonna eat this salmon for lunch. So if you can, one of the first things to do is to scale the fish. You can run your knife just like this, getting in close like that. That's just gonna get more of the slime off and make it easier to handle. See all that stuff right there? Do that to both sides. Then we're gonna cut the top dorsal fin off real quick. It's gonna make the filleting process a little bit easier later on. Just gonna cut that off just a little bit right there. They're gonna cut right here in front of these bottom fins. Go down here below this bottom fin right here. Cut that down all the way like that. So right here you can see the eggs. This is a hen. So we're gonna try and save some of those eggs. My boys like to try and eat those sometimes. Right up here, right below the gill plate. Kind of makes this round turn right here. We're gonna slide our knife right up under this armpit right here. Cut down. And we're gonna flip the fish over. Same thing.
It's a fin pit.
It's a fin pit. Right down here along the gill plate, and we're gonna turn the knife and just run straight all the way down to the tail along the backbone. Trying really hard not to cut through the backbone, because that just messes everything up. Like that. Just like that. Boom, there's one. Take the eggs out. There. Is that right there? Same thing on this side. We're gonna put the knife in right here, turn it, and just push all the way down to the tail along that backbone. First couple strokes there are a little more difficult because you got to cut through the ribs up here higher. And once you get through them, it's fairly simple. There you go. And then all we have to do is get the rib cage here off the fillets, and we're going to do that like this. I'm just going to insert the knife here under those first couple of bones. Make one stroke down, maybe one more, then we're just going to grab it, tear it off, just like that. And now that fillet is ready to cook.
That makes a cool background.
All right, so now that we've got the seasoning all on the salmon, what we're gonna do is set the oven here to 425. We're gonna run that for 10 minutes, and that's just about it, no more. We'll dry your fish out. And here in just a few minutes, they're gonna come out looking great.
watching. Subscribe to the channel and like the